Okay, Precious, this is the sheet music video. I think the first thing that would be helpful for you to do is to get a blank piece of paper and make a music staff with 5 lines. I'm going to try to do this while I'm holding the video recorder. Make it come out straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I would just close it off like that to make it easier to see. So the notes in this song, there's only a few notes in the song. The third line, I'm just going to put the notes in there. We're going to label them. That's a B. Okay? I'm going to put a B down here. If you step down, remember the music alphabet, if you go backwards, just like the regular alphabet, B, right before B comes A. So if you go here, you get an A. If you step down from the line to the space, not skipping, but stepping right from the line to the space, and you get an A. It's a little hard to write this neatly while I'm also holding the camera, so hopefully you can read this. And then we skip down. Remember, the musical alphabet only goes up to G. So if we go backwards before A, we get to G. And you know we've done like hot cross buns, B, A, G. This is what it looks like on the music staff. We've looked at that several times. So we got G. Okay, this B should really be bigger, but make that a little bigger. Okay, B, A, G. And in the very first part of the song, the very first line, recorder 1, remember, you're not doing recorder 2. This is all that's going on, just B's, A's, and G's. So you could just fill that in underneath if it helps you, okay? The next note, there's only 2 more notes in this song. The next one, it skips from the G line, and think, if you can think backwards alphabetically, G, F, E. So this F is in the space, you're skipping that F, and then you're going to the E, which is on the very first line. E. That's in the song also. And then right below the music staff, you can put another note right below that, and that would be backwards if you're thinking alphabetically. D comes before E. So I would make yourself a little chart like that, and then go to the actual song, Jolly Old St. Nicholas, and you could start to look at what's going on here. Hopefully that's clear. It looks a little blurry to me. You have the first 4 notes are on the third line, so those are all B's. So you could just fill in B, 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 B. You go to the next 3 notes, and it just steps down to the second space, okay, which is A, A, A. And then it steps down to the second line, G, 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 G. And then it goes back up. It skips from the second line to the third line, which is, again, B. Okay? That's pretty easy, I think. And now the next part might be a little trickier. Then it goes, the next line, you've got, on the next system, remember we use that term system, so you're up here doing recorder 1, then you come down, recorder 2, and you've got notes on the first measure all on the first line. That's E. E is on the first line, okay? And if you're not sure, you go back and you look at your chart that you made, and you see that E is on the first line, right? It might even help you if you say like B under B, maybe put a little arrow, and you write a little note to yourself, third line. That will help you really start to know these notes. And you say second space, 1, 2, because you always count from the bottom up. Second space is A, so you could write second space. Right? You could do the same for the others. And for that D, you could just write it's actually considered a space. You could say space below the staff, and that'll help you remember. Space below the staff. So I would probably even go and fill all that out, and then you can really have a much better idea. And if you're still having trouble with it, just email me back, and I'll try to help you. And we'll see if we can get this. You can learn this and get comfortable enough to play it for next week. Okay? All right. Bye.